Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you another street food which is very popular in Rajasthan. It's called as Mirchi Vada. These Mirchi Vadas are stuffed with potato and the batter is also very different. Normally it's served with a kadhi, a yogurt curry and chutney. It's a very satisfying and very tasty street food snack. I'm going to show you from the start how to prepare the batter and how I serve this. So let's look into all the ingredients and the pre-preparations required for this recipe and get started. I have done some pre-preparations for this recipe. So I have soaked split black gram dal. I've used a small coffee tumbler amount. I've measured 1 coffee tumbler amount of split black gram dal and I've soaked it in water. This dal has to double in volume, so it has to soak for half an hour's time. Once this has soaked, I've washed it thoroughly. So I washed it thrice, drained all the excess water and added the dal in small portions to a small mixer jar. With very less amount of water, I'm going to grind it into a smooth paste. I'll grind this and I'll reserve it. As you can see, the dal is ground and I've reserved the dal. I've also pre-boiled the potatoes, peeled. I'm going to crumble it and I'm going to reserve. This is going to be for the filling. Finely chopped large onion, 1-inch ginger, finely chopped chilies, curry leaves and coriander leaves. I'm also going to be using dry roasted and crushed coriander seeds, nigella seeds, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds. And for the masala powders, I'm going to be using garam masala, chaat masala, chili powder and turmeric powder. This is going to be for the filling. I've also heated a wok with 2 tablespoons of oil to prepare the filling. I'll be adding the crushed coriander seeds, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, nigella seeds and the fenugreek seeds. I'll allow this to splutter. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. For regular updates, you can also visit me and follow me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links will also be listed in the description box below this video. The same recipe in detail is posted on my blog. Blog link also will be listed in the description box below this video. Or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Now I've added the ginger, chilies, curry leaves and the finely chopped onion. I've added the masala powders, garam masala, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder and chaat masala. I'll fry all the ingredients and allow the onions to fry a bit on medium flame. So at this point, I've added the crumbled potato. The one thing you have to look into is your potatoes should not be too moist. There should not be any sort of moisture in it. So keep frying the potato in the masala for almost 2 minutes and make sure the masala is well combined in the potato. So I kept frying this for 2 minutes. There is no such moisture in the potato. Now the filling is ready. I'm going to remove it from flame and reserve it. I'll start preparing the yogurt curry. For the yogurt curry, we need fresh yogurt. This is plain yogurt. Sifted chickpea flour. We need ginger, chilies and coriander leaves, all finely chopped. Turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala. We also require crushed coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, nigella seeds and fenugreek seeds, now first I'm going to start whisking the yogurt. Make sure there are no hard lumps. I'll just whisk it into a smooth format. We need to use about 1 liter of water for this yogurt curry. I'll add the chickpea flour. Make sure you use a sifted chickpea flour. Now in small portions I'm going to add this 1 liter water. First to whisk the yogurt and the chickpea flour, and then while I'm preparing the curry I'll add the water. So 1 liter water is what I'm using for the entire curry. Make sure you whisk all the ingredients without any hard lumps. Otherwise when you're eating it you might have that raw hard lump which will be very irritating when you're eating it. So once I've whisked the chickpea flour and the yogurt, I'll start preparing the curry base. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added 3 tablespoons of oil. I'll be adding all the whole spices, coriander seeds, nigella seeds, fenugreek, fennel seeds and cumin seeds. I've also added asafoetida. I've added the chopped ginger, chilies, coriander and finely chopped coriander and curry leaves. I've added the spice powders, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, chili powder. I'm going to add the yogurt that I whisked and reserved earlier. I'm going to give this a good stir. Add salt as per taste. Now we can adjust the water consistency. We have to bring this to a rapid boil on medium flame. In about 5 minutes time, the curry has started to boil and it started to thicken. Place this on low to medium flame and reserve it. We have to keep this curry boiling and we have to prepare the mirchi vada. So once the mirchi vada is ready, you have to pour this hot curry on the mirchi vada and serve it. So I placed it on very low flame and I've kept it aside on the other burner. Now I'll start preparing the batter. For the batter, I'll be using the ground black gram dal that I showed you how I ground earlier, sifted chickpea flour, carom seeds, cumin seed, chili powder, cooking soda, and a little bit of cumin seed, roasted cumin seed powder is what I'm using. Now I'll start preparing the batter. In a mixing bowl, I've added the ground black gram dal. For a very long time I did not know how this batter was prepared. Normally in this Rajasthani style food, the batter for all these vadas are very crispy and very nice. So it seems they use the urud dal batter to make it very nice and soft. Now I've added the chickpea flour. I've added salt as per taste, chili powder, carom seed powder, asafoetida, cooking soda and the cumin powder. I'll whisk everything together. I've also added salt as per taste. I've also heated the oil in a wok. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil to this batter. It will give that good shine and it won't absorb much of oil when you're frying the vadas. At this point I've used a balloon whisk and prepared a smooth batter. I'll start prepping the mirchi or the banana peppers. Here you can see I'm going to be chopping the hard stem from the banana peppers. All these peppers were given to us by our landlord. She has a very huge farm and she has been harvesting all these peppers from her farm. We need to slit it in the middle and remove all the seeds. Make sure you wash the peppers thoroughly and pat it dry, and then remove the stems and start removing the seeds. As you can see, the oil is also heated up. Now the batter is ready, the filling is ready, and the peppers are ready. I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of hot oil to the batter. But before I do that, I'll start stuffing the peppers first. Place your oil on low to medium flame and let it reach temperature. Now I'll start stuffing the peppers. I've taken small portions of the filling and I've started to stuff the peppers. And your stuffing mixture also should be in room temperature. It should not be too hot. It can be warm, slightly warm, but not too hot. I'll stuff all the peppers. I've added about 2 tablespoons of hot oil to the batter. I'll give this a mix. Now once the batter is mixed, I'm going to dip the peppers in the batter and add it to the hot oil. This is just a technique that you have to follow. So once you dip the pepper, you have to shake off excess batter and gently drop it in hot oil. This batter is very sticky, and once it's fried, it's very nice and crispy, and at the same time very nice and soft. It's not too hard. So I've gently dropped it in hot oil. I'll fry the peppers for 2 minutes on each side or until the batter turns light golden brown in color. You need to fry this on medium to low flame. But the oil should be very hot. The recipe in detail is posted on my blog, friends. Blog link will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links to my social media handle links will also be listed in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be listed in the description box below this video. As you can see, once the peppers are fried, I've drained it from excess oil and I've reserved it on a tissue paper, allowing all that excess oil to drain out. I'll start preparing the second batch in the same way. I'm sorry friends if the video is too long. I wanted to show you from the start to finish. And it took me roughly about 30 minutes to prepare the entire dish. Now once the banana peppers are fried, you can serve it as it is with chutneys. It tastes excellent. My parents liked it as it is, and especially me and my mom, we liked it with the curry. So I've served the banana peppers with chutney. I've shown you both the chutneys, the mint chutney and the red chutney. I'll post the chaat chutney recipes in the description box below this video. So it's very tasty with the chaat chutneys as it is. Otherwise, the creamy potato filling is very nice and tasty. It's nice and spicy. It adds a good taste, and the flavors from the banana peppers is very tasty. How the way they serve it in the street food, I'm going to show you. Normally use a pair of scissors and chop this peppers and add it to a bowl and top it with the yogurt curry. They serve it very hot, so your yogurt curry should be very hot. And then they top it with the chutneys, the red chutney and the mint chutney. And finally they add a little bit of yogurt on top. And they garnish the entire thing with finely chopped onion and coriander, and they serve it very hot. It's very nice and satisfying when you eat it. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments if you enjoyed watching this video recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.